This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to record a computer screen on Mac. So there's a free built-in way that you can do this on your Mac OS right now. So you'll see that I'm on a website here. It's called Screen Studio. I'm going to show you this software in just a second. But there's, like I say, there's a built-in way to actually do this on your Mac. So I'm just going to back out of here. I'm actually just going to quit out of that. So come down to the bottom in your dock, you have apps. So click on that, and now you'll just search for Quick or QUI or whatever you want to do. It will come up with this app, which you might have heard of right here. It's a very useful app, QuickTime Player on the Mac. So click on that one. That will open up QuickTime. We're just going to click cancel right there, as that's old recordings. So at the very bottom in your dock, you'll now have QuickTime Player. Click on QuickTime. We're going to right click. Now you've got these options for new movie recording, new audio recording. You can do either of those two if you just want an audio recording, but if you want to actually record your screen, you will click on new screen recording. That will start a screen recording with QuickTime. Once you finish, you're just going to click stop. Now I'm not going to actually click new screen recording, as it's kind of meta right now. I'm actually recording on Screen Studio to show you how to screen record. So like I say, quite meta. So that is how you will do it on QuickTime. You will right click on QuickTime and you will click new screen recording. That's the simplest way to do that. Now that is a free version built into your Mac. I'll show you Screen Studio. This is a software that I like to use. So Screen Studio website open right now. I've got a link to it just below this video if you want to check out. Now it's not free, but you can try it for free. You can see the pricing right here. If I click pricing, we've got the different options here for monthly and if you want to pay yearly. So these prices, as you can see, are in dollars, US dollars. So that is Screen Studio. So why would you use Screen Studio and not just the free version of QuickTime that comes to your Mac for screen recording? Well, there's a ton of features and you can come to the website and have a look around. It gives you a good rundown of the features that they have, which applications like QuickTime and other free options don't have. One of the main ones, and you can actually see it in an example of it right here, is the automatic zoom. So I can show you right here. Obviously these demos are going on in the background here, but if I was to highlight something here, essentially there's an option that if you click on the screen, you'll get that nice automatic smooth zoom. So if you're doing any kind of tutorials like this, any kind of videos, maybe for your business, maybe for your company where you're doing sort of demos and stuff, it's really handy to have that feature. And I'm not going to go through all the features of Screen Studio. You can come to the site and check some of them out. This isn't a video purely about Screen Studio. I'm just saying that this is a great tool that you might want to check out. So like I say, you can use QuickTime that comes free with your Mac. If you want something more advanced with some more options, you can click my link and check out Screen Studio. I highly recommend it. Hopefully you found this video on how to screen record on your Mac useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.